Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School and today we'll do exercise 2.4 of chapter 2 fractions and decimals of class 7th. In this exercise we'll learn how to divide fractions or how to do the division of fractions. Before that I will explain one more sum to you. See what is asking here in this sum. Find the reciprocal of the given fractions and classify the reciprocals as proper fraction, improper fractions and whole numbers. I mean to say what is asking here, few fractions are given to us and he's asking to reciprocal these fractions first, then after that you please check they are of which type. They are proper fractions, improper fractions or whole numbers. So see here we are having 3 by 7 here. So the reciprocal of 3 by 7 it is 7 by 3. You know what is reciprocal here? In reciprocal numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. That is the reciprocal of a number. So here 3 by 7 becomes 7 by 3. And now we'll check that 7 is greater than 3 here. 7 is greater than 3. So it is an improper fraction. Same here. The next example, it is 9 here. 9 by 7. Now the reciprocal of 9 by 7, it is 7 by 9. And we know that we can see here that 7 from between 7 and 9. 7 is less than 9 here. So it is an improper fraction. See here we are having 1 by 8. When we find the reciprocal of 1 by 8, it becomes 8 by 1 we can write. And we can see here 1 by 8 means it can be written as 8 here. And 8 is the whole number. So it means here in this way after the reciprocal of the fractions we can recognize of which type of fraction they are and you can simplify other part of this sum also. Now the next sum is the division of fractions here. Now I will teach you how to divide the fractions, how to do the division of the two fractions here. See here I am having two numbers here. We can see 12 is a whole number and 3 by 4 is a fraction here. That means here either you can convert this one 12 into a fraction or you can use it as it is. So I am going to convert into fraction here because I am going to divide the fractions. So 12 becomes 12 by 1. Division sign as it is, 3 by 4 as it is. Now just remember one thing, in division there is one rule that we will convert this one division sign into multiplication always, and after converting this one sign into multiplication we will convert the next one. We will do the reciprocal of the next one which is the next to the fraction which is next to the division sign. We will do the reciprocal of that fraction. It means 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Now it becomes 12 by 1, division becomes multiplication and this one fraction becomes 4 by 3. Now we will do the solution of this one, these two fractions. Mean to say according to multiplication we'll check that we can cancel it or not. We will now see here how to do. Both 12 and 3 they are having the common factor 3 here. So it means here 3 1 the 3, 3 4 is a 12. So we can cancel it on 3's table. So it becomes here 4 and 3 becomes 1. Now we are having nothing in denominator, 1 is left, then no need to cancel. So what we'll do, we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. If there is 1 then no need to multiply, you can write only numerator only. So here 4 into 4 that is 16, then 1 1s are 1 or you can write only like 16 here. Mean to say the answer of 12 divided by 3 by 4 it is 16. Now see one more sum related to division of two fractions here. I am having 7 by 3 divide sign then 2, mean to say 7 by 3 divided by 2 here. See how to do. Again see here 2 is a whole number. I am going to convert into a fraction. It means 7 by 3 divide 2 becomes 2 by 1 here. Then same our next step, which one will do always in during division. Division sign becomes multiplication here. 7 by 3 multiply. Then after, what is the next step? After converting this one division sign to multiplication, we will reciprocate this next fraction 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2. Then same criteria, we will check that we can cancel numerators and denominators or not. If it is not possible, they are not having any common factor, then we'll multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. It means here it becomes 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6 here. And it is an improper fraction and you can convert into mixed fraction. See how I have done here also. I will explain it to you how to do. I am going to divide 7 by 6. So 7 will be inside and 6 will be outside. And we know that 6 ones are 6. And then after that we will subtract 6 from 7. It becomes 1 here. It means here how to write here? Whole number, that will be 1. And it will be your numerator and it will be your denominator. So it is how to write here? 1 into 1 by 6. I have taken one more example to explain it to you. See here. 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 2. Again, these two fractions you can see here. Here we have done an improper number with a whole number. Now we are having two fractions, two different fractions. This one is a proper fraction, it is an improper fraction. So here see how to do. The same criteria we'll use here. The 2 by 5 division become multiplication and we will reciprocate this one fraction. It becomes 2 by 3. And now we'll check that we can divide any fraction or not. If it is not possible, then we'll multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. See, 2 multiply 2, that is 4. 5 multiply 3, that is 15. And now it is not an improper fraction, it is a proper fraction where numerator is less than denominator, so we can't divide it, it will remain as it is. See, in this sum I have taken two mixed fractions. See how to do. First of all, our first step is we will convert it into simple fractions, mean to say we will convert into improper fractions. How to do? I have simplified here, I have explained here. See how? See, 5 twos are, then means to say we will multiply 5 with 2, then we'll add 1 here. Same here, 5 multiply 1, add 1 here. It means 5, 2. 5 twos are 10 plus 1 becomes 11. By 5 as it is, division sign. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6, divide by 5. And then same operation will apply here, same criteria, same method we'll use here. We'll convert division sign into multiplication and we will reciprocate it. 6 by 5 becomes 5 by 6. Now we can see here easily that we can cancel 5 and 5, both are the same numbers. So it becomes 1 1 here, and we can't cancel 11 and 6, they are not having any common factor. So it becomes 11 by 6 and it is an improper fraction. If you want to convert into mixed fraction, you can convert it. That is 1 into 5 by 6. That is your answer of this division. So in this way, you can practice other sums related to this topic of your exercise. So please practice those sums.